Ayes have it.
Kenya and China have signed business deals worth 63 billion shillings in several sectors, including ICT, pharmaceuticals, and engineering. The deals were inked on the sidelines of the Belt and Road Initiative Forum in Beijing. Kenya is seeking to deepen trade and economic relations with China as President William Ruto leads a delegation to market Kenya as a destination for investment by the Far East economic powerhouse.
So this is the commitment that the Kenyan government is responsive and are ready to facilitate you. We'll hold you to conquer the 1.3 billion people market in Africa. Thank you very much. PS Treasury, these are commitments, actual FDIs. Thank you very much, great people.
The reason why we are discussing with China on extending the standard gauge railway beyond Naivasha into Uganda, into DRC Congo, all the way to Congo-Brazzaville is because we want to connect the eastern coast of Africa to the western coast of Africa using the SGR.
The cost of marketing made in Kenya within the country and in Africa is costly. This is making it a challenge to convince investors to invest in Kenya and to manufacture for Africa. Your Excellency, to solve this problem, we propose to have factories that were established by building a common marketing platform.
It is important to emphasize that we have taken resolute measures to significantly improve the business climate and transform the operating environment for enterprises through various interventions aimed at enhancing efficiency, security, regulatory quality, and major improvements in governance, and in making sure that your investments are protected.
It's reprieve for nominated